Hey there, Rebel. If you've heard about print on demand and seen it all over your FYP, but you're thinking, okay, but how do I actually start? I got you. Today, I'm walking you through the easiest way that you can start print on demand in 2025 and showing you my favorite tech stack of tools that I use on a day-to-day basis with Gelato and their new Create AI tools. So let's get started. First, we're picking a profitable niche. Don't skip this. You need to start here. Think about life stages or things that you see in stores or on TV or social media that are always trending, like weddings, babies, travel, pets. These are evergreen niches. An evergreen niche is something that is always searchable and always trending, no matter the aesthetic kind of fads that may come and go. Or you can also focus on your passions or passions that you are interested, or even hobbies like fishing, reading, crocheting, something that you can be active in, or something that you have always wanted to try, like maybe motorboating. And then you want to start using your research tools. You can start in places like Etsy or Pinterest just to see what people are buying. You need to use a Pinterest business account. It's absolutely free to sign up for a Pinterest business account. It's just a matter of switching your settings in your own personal account to a business account. And then from there, you can search pinterest.trends.com as well as Etsy. Now, with some of the more, behind the scenes Etsy data, you can use tools like everbee to really give you more of an in-depth behind the scenes look at the data, what the shops are selling, the volume that they are selling, and their overall take-home profit. If you comment evergreen and you've stuck around this far, I'll send you my top 10 niches book for free. It's usually $7, but as a thank you for watching this far, I'm going to send it to you for free. So if you watch this far, comment evergreen. Next up is designing. And maybe you're not a designer. So here's some tips to help you get started with designs without being a pro designer. Everybody's got to start somewhere, and I started with Canva. Simple text designs like this can become bestsellers, just like these. Or you can use AI design tools like Kittl. Now, think what you will about AI, but if you're in a bind or looking for a little bit more of a creative looking template than Canva gives you, Kittl is the place to go. If you're not using Kittl or Canva, you can create these designs by yourself, whether that be in Photoshop or Adobe, or you can draw them digitally, or you can even scan your own artwork and make a digital version of it. There's a variety of things that you can do, but my tip to you would be when you are starting, keep it simple. Text-based quotes, minimal icons, bold color blocks. Do some research and keep it on trend, not only with the seasons and design trends that are current, but also with what your niche loves and is already buying. Just put a little twist on it, a little rebel flair. Ultimately, what you want to do, and my biggest tip that I hope you take away from this, is create for your niche, not just stuff that you think is cool. I would say when you're just starting and you're opening a new shop, to start with 5 to 10 designs and stick to maybe 1 to 3 different product variations. But what products should you be offering to your niche? Well, again, you need to be doing your research. And let me tell you this, not every niche needs a t-shirt or something to wear. So you might not want to start with your favorite Comfort Colors tee. When it comes to creating niche-focused products, you want to see not only what your niche and customers are already loving and buying, but maybe something that they would love that isn't available to them yet. Try and find that hidden gem within researching your niche. It can take a lot of time. I would say for me, research is definitely the most time consuming part of print on demand, but definitely the most rewarding. And ultimately, it takes testing. Maybe you have a really good design, but the product is just not connecting well with your niche. Or maybe your design is lacking in some aspects, but people love the product that you're selling. So sometimes it takes some testing, sometimes it takes some rearranging designs on different products or different products for your niche. But ultimately, I would suggest sticking with maybe 1 to 3 products when you first start out. That way, it doesn't become overwhelming and it doesn't give your customers too many options. When you have your designs and your products ready to go, it's time to create those products. And this can take some time. It used to take me hours to manually upload my designs to each individual product and then create the titles, descriptions, tags, mock-up photos. Hours. Just for sometimes one listing. But with Gelato's new Create AI suite tools, Instant Collection gives you your time back and definitely saved me my sanity as well. Instant Collection equals mass product creation. All you have to do is upload one design into Gelato's Instant Collection tool, click Create Instant Collection, and that's it. Now you can select your design to go on mugs, posters, shirts, totes, you name it. Seriously, this used to take me hours, from resizing the designs to maybe changing out the designs or products entirely, and now it takes me minutes. I can upload it at night, and when I wake up in the morning, I have a whole entire collection fully finished and fully ready to publish on my shop. If you want to try Gelato's new Create AI tools, I have them linked for free for you to try down below. After you have your products created, you want to create mockups. My absolute number one tip for you as a beginner print-on-demand business person, you want to order samples. Not only so you can take better mock-up pictures, but so you can see what your customers are going to be receiving, because it would totally suck if you put this product out here and it was just not good. Because with new shops, that could really just completely kill your shop before you even get started. Let's say it arrives bent, or the printing is wrong, or it has a weird smell, or maybe it's itchy. Whatever it may be, ordering a sample is going to help you kind of deal with those issues that your customers might encounter before they even encounter them. Luckily, when you sign up for Gelato and you create a new account, when you place a sample order within the first 48 hours of opening your new account, you'll get 50% off your first sample order. I may or may not open a new email account to get 50% off sample orders frequently. Don't tell anyone. But when I do place my sample orders, that 50% off applies to the first 7 products that you add to your sample order. Yes, 7. On embroidered hats, photo books, custom framed art, tote bags, sweaters. Literally every product in Gelato's catalog you're able to get for 50% off on your first sample order. I have that link down below for you to grab. Because ultimately, you don't want any boring mock-ups. No boring backgrounds, no Etsy sea of the same mock-ups that everyone seems to use. We don't want to do that. You want to stand out. So see what everyone else is doing and then do the opposite. Mock-ups are like your initial introduction to your customers finding you. The better staged they are, the lighting, the clarity. Videos on Etsy are doing really well now. It really makes a difference, especially if you have live, like physical products in your mockups, or at least several of the first ones. I don't think there's anything wrong with including some digitally created mockups. A good combination of both is what I usually do, just to save time and money, because I can't be ordering samples of every product that I offer. But I usually create or order new samples on products that I've never tried before. Just again, so I can avoid some returns or bad reviews on possibly bad products. After you have your designs, your products, your titles, descriptions, tags, and mockups, it's ready to price your product and then publish. You can use Gelato's AI tool Velocity Switcher to see what's going to work best in your shop. Different color variants, different mockups, different product types. You can instantly switch out the underperformers. It's like automatic A/B testing. Think real-time analytics without having to do any of the back and forth testing or spreadsheets yourself. So here is your step-by-step plan. Number 1, you want to select a niche. Select something you know and love and are interested in, or stick with an evergreen niche. Weddings, babies, pets, something that is always going to be searchable. Number 2, create some designs. 5 to 10 is a good sweet spot to start. Next, you want to select your products. Again, 1 to 3. Make sure to do your research and see that they are what your niche wants and needs and not just what you like. Then you can use some of Gelato's Create AI tools like Instant Collection to create a whole collection with your designs in an instant. You can use their Magic Mockups tools to help you create your products mockups, and then offer Velocity Switcher in your own business to see what's working and do some A/B testing, all without the manual testing yourself. All with Gelato, all for free. If you're looking for more of a day-to-day, step-by-step plan for your first 4 weeks in print on demand, I would suggest my Ultimate POD Launch Blueprint. This is everything you need, start to finish, in just, again, 4 weeks. It's like having me as your personal POD bestie following you along day by day. You can grab that down below. I have it linked for you. Don't forget, you can also use Create AI tools with Gelato for free. And when you create a new Gelato account, you'll get 50% off your first sample order. Ultimately, starting print on demand in 2025, it's not hard, but it's not easy either. It's not get rich quick. It requires a lot of time and research and testing. But if you're persistent and you enjoy creating and testing and seeing what's going to work and seeing your business grow, it's very rewarding. Print on demand is not going away. It's a billion-dollar industry. And now with tools like Gelato's Create AI, it's only going to get better and more accessible and easier to use. And with Create AI tools, it's only going to help you. I promise. AI is not bad. If you use it as a tool to help your business, it's like your own personal assistant that you get to use for free. So why would you say no to that? Thank you so much for watching, Rebel. I really hope this was helpful to you. If you've been watching this far, comment evergreen and I'll send you my top 10 evergreen niches ebook completely for free. And I'll also send you a discount to grab my launch blueprint. I hope this was helpful. I can't wait to see you be successful in your own print on demand shop. See you later, Rebel.